sorry guys, I accidentally end the video. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Almost end of story. Let's just try the baby. Bye. Ta-da! Bye guys. See you on the next video. I'm sorry I ended the video. I accidentally did that. I was supposed to pause it. Bye guys.